It is a good day to be gathered together. Today we are here in a very sacred ceremony, but also in a celebration. Marriage is an outward expression of a covenant, celebrating two becoming one. Today we are celebrating the union between Kenneth and Nichole. They're demonstrating their love for each other in the most intimate way known to man, in the act of marriage.
Hi Ken, baby, mahal ko. Ito na yung araw na pinakahintay natin. The most precious day that I've been waiting for since I fell in love with you.
Nichole, my wife, I just want to let you know how God blessed me today marrying my dream girl.
When I first met you, I felt butterflies on my stomach and I just can't stop smiling when I think of you. And then history happens. You are my first love, my destiny, my Prince Charming. I know fairy tales are not real, but whenever I'm with you, you always treat me like your princess.
Baby, thank you for everything. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for not giving up on me. I promise to be your number one supporter, your best friend, your lover, and your kamarites for life.
Inasmuch as Kenneth and Nichole have made their vows in the presence of God and these witnesses, by the power vested in me by the state of Nevada, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. What God has brought together, let no man separate. One thing left, sir. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's with great pleasure that I introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kenneth. Carry on.
I'm Justin, Kenneth's best man / uncle. I wouldn't really call myself an uncle to Kenneth. I mean, how many of your nephews call you Doug?
I met Nichole through Kenneth. When I first met Nichole, I was confused. You wouldn't think she's a nurse because she loves to do TikToks, taking pictures, dressing up, all that girly stuff, as you all know. Our relationship as friends turned into a sisterhood that I will always be thankful for because Nichole has brought so much happiness in my life.
I'm proud of the man you became. Thank you for all those years with you having my back when I needed you. Thank you for giving me a second home. Cheers to this new chapter in your lives. I wish you both the best. Congratulations.
Big dreaming, can't you see it? We stay shining every season and you know I like it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I love it.
I cannot wait to watch your family grow and to be the nina of your children, of course. And finally, next, congratulations and best wishes.